What's going on, y'all? Appreciate you for checking me out, stopping by to, take a look at my methods on saving money, doing it the easy way. Shocking development, I just decided to try something out on this oven cleaner, this easy on. See, I ran into an issue with this Malibu. I mean, it really don't matter what rim it is, but it was just a Malibu rim, and it wasn't even a rim. It's a hubcap that is dipped in chrome, and the chrome wouldn't come clean for me. You got this type of, I wouldn't call it oxidation, but yeah, I guess you could say oxidation, because it's cruddy, and normally I use purple power, and purple power normally gets everything off with no problem. But purple power, it didn't work, and all of my traditional cleaning products, such as dishwashing liquid, I even use Gain sometimes, because Gain is grainy, like granulated almost. It's almost like sandpaper, but anyway, it didn't work, and I'm gonna show you what I use, or how I use this oven cleaner. So this is the stuff that I'm talking about. Like, it wouldn't come off. Like, that is really on there. It looks like corrosion. I guess it was sitting up for a while, and it corroded, I guess. Like I said, purple power will not get that off. Like I said, my traditional cleaners, it wouldn't do it. But this worked for me.
Hope you got a pull up on you. You shoot guns and just post it on YouTube. I bring guns and be posted in
spray it on there. Not much.
Reach the car, dump it off in Corpus Christi. Latex finger, keep the protection. Too big for the holster. Gotta move in it.
And this stuff do burn.
Like they just
if you get on your skin, yeah, it burns. Literally. Like, no BS, no game. So I would recommend using some type of protective eyewear, gloves, anything to protect your skin or yourself from this stuff. Because I just sprayed it on there. I have no preset time. I just spray it on and wipe it off.
Man, you know I'm with it. Don't give up. Call me with that smoking, jump pulling up. Life is just so I keep up in the book. I'm riding with the windows down to see what's up. Man, you know I'm with this, don't give up. Call me with that smoking, don't pull in up. Life is just so I keep up in the book. I'm riding with the windows down to see what's up. Man, you know I'm with it, don't give up. Call me with that smoking, jump pulling up. Life is just so I keep up in the book. Yeah. Heard you looking for that smoke, yeah, I'm looking too. But I'm peeping through that scope, playing pickle.
Look at that. Sometimes I shock myself.
Indecisive, like Marine. greens with the rifle. Sully was a lifer, rolling back up with the bike.
Yeah, I know, right?
Empty shells falling on the driver. Duct tape on the beam, looking like a young MacGyver. Window down, trying to see what up with all that capping. Beat the brakes off your pillow like nothing happened. Tinted Impala, smell like break the
Simple as pie.
kicking back like
I treat it just like it's
sparking like wires on a power line.
a stove. I don't even rinse it off. Man, I'm finna let it ride like that. But somebody is about to ride clean with the shiniest hubcaps in the world. I know there's a lot of products out there for this specific purpose. Call it acid. And I do these videos because, you know, some people just don't got it, you know, just don't have the funds to go out and just buy stuff. You want to improvise sometimes, and that's what I'm all about, saving $1 just to make 50. But I appreciate your time, man. I appreciate you checking me out. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.